My name's Joe with Frei Remodeling, and we completed a project in Tucson, Arizona for Michelle, and I just want to show you around and show you what we did for her.
When I came into the old kitchen, frankly, it was depressing. The cabinets were dark and cheap. It looked like 1978. And there were also accessibility issues. There was wasted space. After I talked with Joe's clients, I was convinced. They all seemed to want to adopt Joe. It was just a no-brainer as far as we were concerned after that.
So some of the things cosmetically, first off, that we updated is obviously we updated all the cabinets with this naughty alder. And then we did all the lighting throughout, and we matched all the lighting. She wanted a 4K, which is a softer light. We used a quartzite countertop, which is a really nice, it's got a lot of color in it. It brings in the color of the cabinets, it brings into the color of the floor, and kind of all ties it together. Another thing we did, which I find very interesting and I like it, this was the original tile on the windowsill here, and Michelle wanted to leave that, so we incorporated the new tile into the old, which I think it ties in nicely with everything else. Altogether, I think these changes made it a much brighter space. And then for the functionality, we incorporated some lazy Susans in the corner. That way you don't have to get on your knees and dig in the back, and you can rotate that and you have access to all your product. And then another thing she didn't want on the lower cabinets is she didn't want cabinets, she wanted drawers, and that's why you see a lot of drawer banks in here. Soft close drawers on all of it. And then we ended up changing out the range because she originally had one that had the controls on the back, which covered it, and it kind of didn't go with the flow of the kitchen. So we got this slide-in range with the controls on the front, so you see all the backsplash tile there. Single bowl sink here, which is really functional for big pots, with a really nice tall faucet here with a retractable hose here. I think everything came together great for Michelle. She loves it, helped her with aging in place, and just bringing her kitchen into 2024.
Oh my God, I love this kitchen. I enjoy this new space so much. I have so much more usable space. It's a beautiful room. I love spending time in it. I linger over coffee in the morning. I check my email. I just want to hang out in it. It's a great space. If someone were to ask me to recommend a good general contractor, hands down, it's Joe. I would give that recommendation to my best friend without hesitation.
This project we did for Michelle, we gave her a 4 to 6 week timeline. We completed it in 4 weeks to the date. If you're interested in a kitchen remodel or any project on your home and want some more info, feel free to reach out, go to our website, fill out our form, or just give me a call and we can see how we can help you out.